Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the bald eagle and why it is America's national symbol. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is the bald eagle the national bird of the United States? Yes, the bald eagle was chosen as the national bird in 1782. Did Benjamin Franklin support the bald eagle as the national symbol? No, he preferred the wild turkey and thought the bald eagle was a thief. Is the bald eagle found in many countries around the world? No, it is unique to North America. Does the bald eagle symbolize strength and freedom? Yes, it represents power, independence, and resilience. Did the bald eagle population increase in the 1960s? No, it declined due to habitat destruction and pesticide use. Was the bald eagle removed from the endangered species list? Yes, in 2007, after conservation efforts helped restore its population. Can a bald eagle carry prey heavier than itself? Yes, it is strong enough to carry prey several times its own weight. Does the bald eagle appear on the Great Seal of the United States? Yes, it is the central figure on the Great Seal. Do bald eagles build small nests? No, they build enormous nests, sometimes weighing over a ton. Is the bald eagle often associated with American military symbols? Yes, it appears on military insignias, flags, and official seals. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.